Just landed in a LA airport and headed to the rental car. 2-hour drive to Palm Springs is coming up, and I'm headed to 3D Basecamp straight away. Hopefully I can grab some bite. Good morning everyone. So I arrived quite late in the airport, so it was quite dark outside. I was arriving to the hotel very late, so I was just kind of rushing to get here, so I didn't get any sort of footage there, but I promise I'll have more footage coming up today. And just wanted to show you the view of my hotel. So it is fairly bright and sunny. Yes, it is middle of desert of California. I'm in Palm Springs, so let's get going. The better it is, I think.
That's backlit right there.
Yeah, it's backlit right there. Let's just stand slightly sideways. Alright, so this is Aaron Ditson from SketchUp team, and I just wanted to do a short interview of him right here. So can you tell me what the 3D Basecamp is?
Absolutely. Basecamp is the one and only place to come if you like all things SketchUp. It's our biennial. That means every 2 years. User conference. So this is where people come together for 5 days of learning, training, talking, modeling. It's all the stuff that we love about SketchUp, and it happens live, all of us together. It's like a user forum come to life. It's a blast. It's a lot of SketchUp.
Awesome. To my YouTube channel. So thank you guys.
Hey guys.
So one of the great things about going on this conference is that the fact that I'm on a travel, and I've been told to try In-N-Out Burger, so I'm just gonna give that a try. And also I've been given sort of a goodie bag from 3D Basecamp, so I'm also excited to find out what's in it. Scavenger. Thank you so much for the nice little goodie bag. Today was Monday and the next day will follow. Good morning. I'm a bit late and running behind schedule because I was trying to check out from this room. I want to take this time and just kind of explain the concept. So this event is called Basecamp, but the main portion is from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whereas there's something called Bootcamp, which is Monday and Tuesday. And Bootcamp focuses on more of a workshop, hands-on learning, whereas Basecamp is more focused on presentations. There are workshops within that too, and presentations within the Bootcamp as well. However, the main focuses are the workshops and the presentations. Basecamp still is sort of the main focus because you have vendor booth just only on the Basecamp side. So right now on Monday and Tuesdays, we don't have vendors coming out and staying at a booth to talk to people. Whereas Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you will have a booth. So those people from those vendors will be there to talk to you if you have any questions, or if you want to learn about the software or the company, then you can do so. Well, since today is Tuesday, I will be just attending the bootcamp portion. So my main focus is not only to learn about SketchUp, but everything around it, as well as the people, the company, and I want to talk to those people and have very, very interesting conversations. And I think I'm just going to divide this video into two parts. So let me just rush and get going. Alright, I just wanted to explain quickly about this one here. SketchUp gives you this badge as soon as you register for the event, and this jingling thing is pins that you are able to pick up, and it just sort of categorizes you, and you can pick up as many as you want. Welcome to 3D Basecamp. So here is a profile of Grant Imahara himself, and it is a co-host of Mythbusters, and actually I found that there is a little treasure box. I think it is meant for... So this is what I saw as a scavenger hunt, and I think we're meant to get some sort of stamps, and I think some other parties are doing that as well.
That's right. You get that ticket to 2020.
You know, if you really want to win, you would take this away from everyone.
Just grab the whole box. Oh, there you go.
And then make sure you put it back.
Yep. Sabotage.
Actually introduce yourself, is that okay?
Oh, absolutely. Hariharan Natarajan. I'm with SketchUp. I do customer success.
What about just give me your name and company?
Well, I would recommend you to do it with Felix.
So here Andes does not want to explain his project, so we're just going to forward it to Felix. So Andes was here. He kind of refused to speak about this piece here. Here's Felix, who's going to fill you in what this model is all about.
Yes, this is a small excerpt from the model that we created, and it's just fresh off the presses. So it was inaugurated last week in Landskrona, Sweden. And Landskrona is an old city. It's a medieval city. It was founded in the 15th century. So it's all empirically correct, and it's all made in SketchUp.
Oh, okay. So you didn't print it here. You carried
I brought
it over.
it here. Yeah, I brought it here. We brought it here.
So that was in my car. The
Yes.
car we drove together.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so you sacrificed your week of clothing for this piece to be wrapped up nicely.
Well, I think Anders only has like one shirt or something, maybe two, in case he would ruin it first.
I see.
I'm joking.
Right now we're previewing a SketchUp viewer for the HoloLens.
Cool.
It's a completely self-contained computer that allows me to see holograms projected over reality, and I can actually walk through it at one-to-one scale as if it was already built. We also have the SketchUp viewer for mobile. which allows you to do AR viewing, which is very similar to the HoloLens, but a lot easier to hold on to in a phone.
So we have a knowledge cafe here, and people just come in for just discussion with the SketchUp team, and they may do a little bit of tutorial training for them whilst they're here. And I think Mark here is going to do a layout introduction session, so I may be able to just kind of show you a little bit of that going on. So that was very successful, but also kind of long day. So let me just wrap up Tuesday. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel if you want to continue watching this type of videos. And I will see you next time.